what is inside this box? Put in the comments below what do you think is inside this box, but now let's open it. Alright, that should be open enough for me to just pull it apart now. Alright, let's see. It is, I ordered some of these. Dong Bugitos, so they are bugs. And I have done them in a previous video, but I thought it would be fun to bring them to my school. Alright, so we have chili lime crickets, we have spicy Bugitos, we have coconut brittle Bugitos, and we have chocolate covered Bugitos. And we have right here dark chocolate covered crickets. So yeah, I thought it would be fun to bring some of these to my school because in science we did a lab where we had to raise superworms, also known as these, which are Bugitos or mealworms. And yeah, I thought my science teacher might want to try them, and I thought that some kids might want to try them too. That'll be it for today. Bye!